Li hadhihi sayyarati. Li hadhihi sayyarati. What is li? And what is hadhihi? Ism majroor. Huh? Jar majroor, shubu jumla khabar. And what is sayyarati? Badal, mashallah. Huh? Arba'atu, Sister Abir, arba'atu. What is arba'atu? Mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf. And then abwabin mudaf ilayhi. Very good. Kam samanu hazal kitabi. Come, yes, Sister Nusrat. Yeah, come. After come, we need a noun, mansoob, which is tamiz. Remember, it is mahzoof here. So if you are in Saudi Arabia, it would mean kam rialan samanu hazal kitabi. If you are in Canada, then it will mean kam dolaran. Huh? But then, in this case, it was dropped. So it is there, but it is dropped, mahzoof. Remember, many times things will be mahzoof, they will be dropped. So here, our tamiz is dropped because it is understood. If you are in Canada, when you go to a store, of course you are always asking the price in dollars. You are not asking it in riyals. So kam samanu hazal kitabi. So normally, we do not want to analyze. But for the sake of teasing you, what did I say? For the sake of teasing you, I want to know what is samanu. It is mudaf. Okay, are you with me? What is samanu? Where is mudaf ilayhi? Haza. So if it is haza is mudaf ilayhi, it's majroor. And that is why the badal is majroor. Majroor. See, come, leave it aside, come. Samanu hazal kitabi. Why kitabi? Because haza is mudaf ilayhi majroor. The badal became majroor. Got the idea, Sister Salma? Haza is majroor here because it is mudaf ilayhi of the samanu. And it is majroor. So then the badal came, it has to be majroor. Brother Muhammad, you got the idea, brother? Inshallah. For samanuhu, brother and sister? Samanuhu. What is mudaf ilayhi? So where is mubtada, Sister Naima? Where is mubtada? Samanuhu. Samanu is your mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf and hu mudaf. Oh, where is our khabar? Sister Fatima, where is our khabar? Khabar is sab'atu. Where is your khabar? Sab'atu. Sister Naima, you got it? The price of it is sab'atu, which is your khabar. Wa huwa mudaf. And then riyalatin mudaf ilayhi. And then ataf came. And then it came nisfun. What is this nisfun? Ma'tufun ala sab'atu. And because, why it is fun? Why it is fun? Because there is no mudaf ilayhi. What is it? It came on its own without mudaf ilayhi. So then we have to have a tanween there. Are you with me? Nisfun. Separate. No mudaf ilayhi, so tanween came. Yeah, tanween came. Okay, brother and sister. Fi hadal fasli. Fi haza. Jar majroor. Fasli. What is fasli, Sister Sumayya? Badal, mashallah, mashallah. May Allah increase you all in knowledge. It's my prayer. May Allah bless us with the knowledge of the language of the Quran, so that we can come closer to Quran, inshallah. All of us, including myself, brother, we all need Allah's mercy and blessing to understand the Quran and the language in which it was revealed. So here we are, brothers and sisters. Fi hadha al-fasli, fi hadha jar majroor shubul jumla khabar. Okay, brothers and sisters. Where is mubtada? Sister Sumayya, where is Mubtada? Asharatu. Wahuwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? Tullabin. Okay. And what is Qudama doing here? Qudama, what is Qudama? Tullabin, Qudama. How will you translate it in English? Old students. So what is old students? Not. So Qudama is not. But because, brothers and sisters, Qudama ended with Alif Maksura. Qudama. So the vowel sign, din, does not appear. Again, these nouns, brothers and sisters, we will study later on in the book. Just like Salma. How do you like Salma? At the end, there is a Alif Maksura. Which is actually Ya, but it is Alif Maksura. Now, when you have Salma, okay, brother, if it is Marfu, it is Salma. If it is Mansub, it is Salma. If it is Majroor, it is Salma. The vowel signs, we are going to learn about it, how to identify their vowel signs. But we will say that Salma, if it comes after harf jar, then it is Majroor. So similarly here, Tullabin has come, which is a Man'ut. So the Naat will be also Majroor. So Qudama is Majroor, but it is a Naat. Sahih, brothers and sisters? Wa arba'atu, wow, and then arba'atu, ma'tufun ala, asharatu, sahih. And then what is Tullabin? Mudaf ilayhi. And what will be the next? Judu, then. Write down. Judu, then. Okay? And write down Qudama as a Naat. Make some kind of a note for Qudama as a Naat, brothers and sisters. Very good. Tam Kamisan. Now Kamisan came. Tam Kamisan. Now the Kamisan came. As a Tamiz. Kam Kamisan Indaka Ya Ibrahimu. How many shirts do you have? Indi, Inda, Zarf. Shubu Jumla, Khabar. Ya Mutakallim, Mudaf ilayhi. Okay? And then, Samaniyatu, Mubtada. Wahuwa Mudaf, and Kumsa, Nin. Kumsa, Nin. Mudaf ilayhi. Fine. Sister Arifa, Indi Riyalani. Tough question for you. What is Indi? Inda is Sarf, and then Shubu Jumla Khabar. What is Ya Mutakalim? Mudaf ilayhi. Where is our Mubtada? No, Riyalani. See, I told you it's a tough question. What is Mubtada? Riyalani. But brother, Mubtada has to be Marfu. Is Riyalani Marfu? Yes, it is Marfu. What is the sign of its being Marfu? Alif. Remember this. That's why I said it's a tough question. I thought it was the easiest question, but if you sometimes do not pay attention, then you will skip Riyalani, which is actually Mubtada. Waw is Ataf. And what is Khamsatu? Ma'tufun ala Riyalani, brother. And they don't look alike. But we know they are both Marfu. Khamsatu is Marfu with Dhamma, and Riyalani Marfu with Alif. Alif Musanna. Okay, brothers and sisters? Kurushin. This is your Mudaf ilayhi. What is Kurush? It's like our small change, dimes, quarters, nickels, So this is Kirshun and Kurushun. Fi hadhil hafilati, Sister Nasri, Fi hadhil hafilati, Fi harfjar, Hadhihi ism majroor, Char majroor, Shubu jumla khabar. And what is al hafilati? Badal, mashallah, badal. Huh? Okay. Where is our khabar? No, I beg your pardon. We got our khabar. Where is our mubtada? Asharatu wa huwa mudaf and rukkabin, passengers. Rakibun, singular, and rukkab is plural, passengers. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. How will you translate? Sister Nasreen, how will you translate the sentence? في هذه الحفلة عشرة ركاب. Bus. Passenger. MashaAllah. 10 riders. In this third question, brother, we have to give answers to the following questions using the mentioned numbers between brackets. Kausaini. Brother, let me also give you a little hint. Baina. Write down Baina properly, brother. Baina. Okay, what is Baina, brothers and sisters? It says zarf. So what will happen to the noun after zarf? Mudafili. So what is this? Kausaini. What is Kausaini? Mudafili. What is Kausaini? I just want to teach you, brothers, sisters. Watch me carefully. Kitabani, kitabaini, kitabaini. Okay? If I say baina kitabaini, between two books. So what is this baina? Kausaini. So what is Kausaini? Dual. 2 brackets. Are you with me? Remove baini. What will happen now? What will happen to the noun? Kausani. What will happen? Kausani. Just want to draw your attention to the dual. So baina kausaini. Of course, we have not studied, but I did hint you. So counting on that hint, I wanted to test you. Okay, no problem, brothers and sisters. So the question is, Kam kitaban indaka indi. See, number 3, you will say, Salasatu kutubin. Okay, Sister Manas, your question. Kam akhan laka ya Hamid. No, you are Hamid. No, now how will you answer? Li. No. Remember 5 here. What do you see in the bracket? Number 5. Do you see number 5? No. Yes. That was the first question. Yeah. So what is number 5? You have to use this number. Okay. You have to use. So what will you say? Li. Ikhwatin. Ikhwatin or ikhwanin. Ikhwatin or ikhwanin. Both will be correct. But let us use ikhwatin now. Because Dr. Sahib is using ikhwatin. Li, Brother Muhammad, li khamsatu ikhwatin. Means I have 5 brothers. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Very good. Nusrat, kam amman laki ya Layla. How many chachas you have? How many uncles you have? There are 4. Again. Amamin. Now we got to use plurals, and we have to remember our plurals. What is amamin? Amamin. Arba'atu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Sister Salva? Li arba'atu amamin. Now, in our initial stage of our learning, because the plurals are so many, and they may not come to our mind quickly. But don't worry. As you study, inshallah, you will understand it. Now, Brother Hassan, Ya Shaykhu. Huh? See, now see, here is Hamzatul Wasal. So how will you pronounce? Kamibnan. Kamibnan. Huh? Kamibnan. Kamibnan. Laka ya Shaykhu. What will be your answer? Li. Abna'in. 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 It's not mamnu. It is not diptote. Abna'in. Okay, I will show you. How will you say? Sittatu abna'in. See, I wrote down, how did I write down Hamza? Hamzatul Qata. When you come to plural, Ibnu has a Abna'un. Abna'un. It became Abna'in. Is it clear? Have you got any difficulty here? What is the plural of Ibnun? Abna'un. Now it is mudaf ilayhi. So what will you say? Abna'in. You will say Abna'in. Just like Tullabin, Aklamin, Kutubin. Fine, Brother Abdul Samad. Kam su'alan fi hadad. I wanted Abdul Samad to figure out. Darsi, because it is badal. And haza is majroor because of fi. But all these things, see, Arabic will force you to think. Arabic language is a great stimulus for your mind. It makes you think, you know. So, here is 8. So, what is the number 8 in Arabic? Samaniyatu. Now, do you know the plural of su'alun? As'ilatun. Look at the number 3. Ajib anil as'ilati. That is your plural. Are you with me? Plural. Su'alun as'ilatun. Okay, now I'm giving you something to think, brother. Su'alun as'ilatun. Jawabun ajwibatun. Matching, huh? Misalun amsilatun. Okay? So inshallah, you will remember, huh? So su'alun is as'ilatun. So how will you say now, Brother Samad? No, samaniyatu. As'ilatin. Tin. Okay, brother and sister, I write again. Samaniyatu as'ilatin. Third idea, as'ilatin. Sister Nasri, as'ilatin. As'ilatin. Right? On the top, number 3 question, Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Answer the following questions. Fine. Brother Saeed, Kam rakiban fil hafilati. Fiha tis'atu. First number. Tis'atu rukabin. Remember tis'atu. We cannot say tis'atun. Because it is mudaf. How will you write down? Tis'atu rukabin. Got the idea? Inshallah. Okay, Brother Muhammad, it's your turn.
Kam riyalan fi jaybika.
MashaAllah. How much money you have? Let's go for lunch.
Fi jaybika.
Now it is you are answering. So,
In my pocket. Fi jaybi.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Jaybi.
Excellent. Fi jaybi, in my pocket.
Fi jaybi.
Asharatu.
Sabatu.
Okay. Sabatu.
Sabatu riyal.
Riyalatin. What will you say? Riyalun. What is the jama of riyalun? Riyalatun. So you say, I wanted to have more money in your pocket. Fi jaybi. Sab'atu riyalatin. Sab'atu riyalatin. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Very good. Now, Sister Salma. Kam samanu hazal kitab. First, she has to answer properly. Kam samanu hazal kitab. Bi, mashallah, mashallah. Now see, come after come, nothing came. So, what is missing here? Salma? After come, what comes? Tamiz. So, tamiz is here, ma'zuf. What is it? What is the meaning of ma'zuf? Dropped. Not hidden. Dropped. Ma'zuf, it means drop. Hazaf ho gaya. In Urdu, it's very common, hazaf. Okay. Now, here it means kam riyalan, you can say, or dollar. Kam riyalan samanu hazal. No, but I'm saying to you, if you were to use your thing, then it will be kam riyalan samanu hazal kitabi. Or if you are in Canada, you will say kam dolaran samanu hazal kitabi. But because that riyalan or dolaran, the tamiz is ma'zuf. So you say kam samanu hazal kitabi, which is the common way of asking. How much is the price of this book? Okay? Samanu means the price of this book. Okay? So what will you say? No, you will say samanuhu. Now, khalas, samanuhu, it is understood. The price of it is, then you don't have to say. Let me write it down. Because that way you will understand better. Okay. Watch this, brother. Samanuhu. Okay. Either I should write down samanuhu. Okay, brothers and sisters. Either I should write down samanuhu. What is who? Mudafili. I want to write down a proper noun. Samanu hazal kitabi. What will I say? I can say samanu sama, and then I can say samanu hazal kitabi, or I can say, what can I say, brothers and sisters? Samanul kitabi. Are you with me? How will you translate Samanul kitabi? Price of the book. Now I can say something else also. What is the translation? Price of this. So how many choices you have? Samanuhu, the price of it. Or you can say Samanu hazal kitabi, the price of this book. Or you can say Samanul kitabi, the price of the book. Or you can say Samanu haza, the price of this. You have choices. But the best answer for us will be Samanuhu. Samanuhu. So what is Samanuhu? What is Samanu? Mubtada. Are you with me? Wahuwa mudaf. And who? Mudaf ilayh. Now where is your khabar? We need our khabar. And it will be asharatu. What will be your khabar? Asharatu. Asharatu. And then mudaf ilayhi will come. Samanuhu asharatu. Now you want to say riyalatin or dolaratin. Dolaratin it will be. Well, let's make it riyalatin. Let's think that we are a student in Medina University, okay, in Saudi Arabia. Okay. You have to always go back to the main lesson. And in this particular case, brother, our main lesson teaches us number. You should highlight the numbers in the main lesson. And watch the vowel signs. Watch the vowel signs. Brother, uktub al-a'dad min thalasi ila ashara and waj'al kullan min al-kalimati al-atiyati ma'dudan, and make the following nouns, following words ma'dud. So we got to use 3 to 10. Now, brother, I was so anxious to write everything. Whatever I came across, I thought I should write it. So in my exercise books, I wrote down from 3 to 10, and I counted everything. I counted everything. If you have time, you can do it. If you do not have enough time, then, brothers and sisters, then you can only say, Salasatu kutubin, arba'atu aklamin, khamsatu tujjarin, okay, sittatu rijalin, or sab'atu tullabin, and then samaniyatu riyalatin, and then tis'atu kurushin, and then again come back to salasatu ikhwatin, and then arba'atu abna'in. But that will be very easy, brother. That will be very easy. So that if you have time, even if you cannot write, we should say it, okay? We should say it. I think we will take a break in the next 15 minutes, 5 minutes rather, and then we will, inshallah, finish the next lesson also. Okay, brothers and sisters, quick, 3 to 10. See how many of us can do it, okay? We should be able to do it in 20 seconds each. Ready? Salasatu kutubin, arba'atu kutubin, khamsatu kutubin, sittatu kutubin, sab'atu kutubin, samaniyatu kutubin, tis'atu kutubin, asharatu kutubin, salasatu aklamin, arba'atu aklamin, khamsatu aklamin, sittatu aklamin, sab'atu aklamin, samaniyatu aklamin, tis'atu aklamin, asharatu aklamin, salasatu tujjarin, arba'atu tujjarin, khamsatu tujjarin, sittatu tujjarin, sab'atu tujjarin, samaniyatu tujjarin, tis'atu tujjarin, asharatu tujjarin, salasatu rijalin, arba'atu rijalin, khamsatu rijalin, sittatu rijalin, sab'atu rijalin, niyatu rijalin, tis'atu rijalin, asharatu rijalin, salasatu tullabin, arba'atu tullabin, khamsatu tullabin, sittatu tullabin, sab'atu tullabin, samani tullabin, tis'atu tullabin, asharatu tullabin, salasatu riyalatin, arba'atu riyalatin, khamsatu riyalatin, sittatu riyalatin, samaniyatu riyalatin, tis'atu riyalatin, asharatu riyalatin, salasatu kurushin, arba'atu kurushin, Khamsatu kurushin, sittatu kurushin, sab'atu kurushin, thamaniyatu kurushin, tis'atu kurushin, asharatu kurushin, salasatu ikhwatin, arba'atu ikhwatin, khamsatu ikhwatin, sittatu ikhwatin, sab'atu ikhwatin, ikhwatin, tis'atu ikhwatin, asharatu ikhwatin, salasatu abna'in, arba'atu abna'in, khamsatu abna'in, sittatu abna'in, sab'atu abna'in, samaniyatu abna'in, tis'atu abna'in, asharatu abna'in. MashaAllah. Now we, I think, need jalebis and pakoras also. We worked so hard. Alhamdulillah. Now you deserve a break. Let us have a short break and then we'll start again, inshallah. We are back from our break, brothers and sisters. Lesson number Ad-Darsul Ishrun. Ad-Darsul Ishrun. 20 lesson. Lesson number 20. Now the dialogue is between Layla and Salma. See, Dr. Sahib has mentioned you. Layla and Salma. See how they are written. Not with ta marbuta. We are going to study this later on. That the feminine names will come on this pattern also. With the alif maksura. Ya Salma. Afi fasliki talibatun min as-sini wal yabani. I repeat again. Ya Salma. Afi fasliki talibatun min as-sini wal yabani. Naam. Now it is the muannas, brother. Watch. That's why I say highlight those numbers, especially the ending of it, for you to understand. Naam. Fi faslina khamsu talibatin. Why it is khamsu, brother? Because the ma'dud is muannas. What is the reason? The ma'dud is muannas. So the others will become muzakkar. Khamsu talibatin. Make it 5 male students. Khamsatu tulabin. Make it female students. Khamsu talibatin. That is the difference we have to bear in mind. Min as-sini wa arba'u talibatin min al-yabani wa thamani talibatin min Indonesia. Now you have to remember one thing, brother. This noun, actually it is samanin. Okay? We are going to learn this in detail in book 3. The first lesson of book 3, we will learn this kind of noun. Okay? Okay. Look at this, brother. Madin. Qadin. This Wadin is the valley. Now, why are this way? We are going to learn it. So, right now, we just bear in mind that when you are counting muzakkar, ma'dud, it will become samaniya 2. And when you are counting muannas, ma'dud, it will become samani. Are you with me? Samani. Okay. So there is a difference. For example, if I say salasu, arba'u, khamsu, there is a pattern. Sittu, sab'u, and then Samani. The pattern changed. Again, Tis'u. Ashru. Are you with me? I go back again. Salasu. Guessing that the Ma'dud is Muannas. Arba'u. And then Khamsu. Sittu. Saba'u. And then Samani. We've got to just memorize the spelling. Only in Samani. Why it is like this, we will study later on. There is no need to go in detail now. But then again, Tisa'u and Asharu. Ashru. Okay? Also, you will have to watch some things, for example, Asharatu. And then it's Ashru. Okay, so these small things, you have to be careful. But in written Arabic, when you read newspaper and magazine, there are no vowel signs. So the person, who is actually writing an article, he just skips the vowel signs. So, we don't know. But as a student, we should know it properly. Okay. So, Samani Talibatin, 8 students from Indonesia. Is it clear? Okay. At home, brothers and sisters, use your highlighters. And in identifying numbers, how they are ending. Okay. It is Khamsu. Okay. And it is Arba'u. And then the Ma'dud is Muannas. So it will give you a good idea, inshallah. Laila says, Fi faslina, in our class, Fi faslina. So what is Fi faslina, brother? Before also, now also, Fi faslina. How many words are there? 3, brother. What are they? Fi, Harshad, Fasli, Isam Majrur, wa huwa Mudaf, and Na Mudaf ilayh. You should be very clear of this. No confusion should be now. Fi faslina, how many words? 3. Faslina is Mudaf Mudaf ilayh. And then Fi fasli is Jar Majrur. Are you with me? So you will be very clear now. And I think we have worked very hard. There should not be any problem. Fi faslina, Fi Harjar, firstly, Isam Majrur, Shibu Jumla, Khabar. Jar Majrur, Shibu Jumla, Khabar. Na Mudaf ilayhi. Na Mudaf ilayhi. Sahi? If there is a Mudaf ilayhi, Sister Manas, then there has to be a Mudaf. So Mudaf is there, okay? Where is our Mubtada? Thalathu or Khamsu in that case. Let us do Khamsu, okay? Khamsu. This is your Mubtada. Wahuwa Mudaf. And Talibatin Mudaf ilayhi. Minasini Jar Majrur, we don't want to go in more detail. Wa Arba'u. What is Arba'u? Ma'utufun ala Khamsu. ठीक है? Agree with me? Wow, Ataf came, Brother Abdul Samad. Ma'utufun ala Khamsu. Wa huwa Mudaf and Talibatin Mudaf ilayhi min al Yabani. And wa Samani. What is Samani? Ma'utufun ala Khamsu. Wa huwa Mudaf and Talibatin Mudaf ilayhi. Very good. The same thing will be Thalathu Talibatin min al Hindi wa Sittu Talibatin min al Philippini wa Sab'u Talibatin min al Kuwait. So it's very beautifully explained, brother. All the numbers are coming here. Okay? In the construction of these dialogues, Dr. Abdul Rahim does wonders. And he explains us everything, inshallah. Salma. Kam ukhtan lakiya Layla. How many sisters do you have, Layla? What is the answer? Laki became Li Salasu Akhawatin. Akhawatin is Muannas, so the adad became Mudhakar. Salasu akhawatin. Fine. Salasu is your mubtada, mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Then Salma says, Kam akhan laki. What is the answer? Li khamsatu. See now the ta marbuda came. Because the ma'dud is muzakkar. Khamsatu ikhwatin. Khamsatu ikhwatin. Fine. Salma says, lucky to you, you have, lucky to you or you have. So what is lucky? Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. Where is our mubtada? Salasu akhawatin. Wa mubtada. Wa khamsatu. What is khamsatu? Ma'tufun ala. I'm sure you are comfortable now. Means it is linked with Salasu. Ikhwatin mudaf ilayhi. Very good, brother. Layla. Naam. Again, I repeat the rule. If the ma'dud, which is always jama. Sahi, it is always jama when we are counting. From 3 to 10. Only from 3 to 10. In this rule, remember we are only doing today. We are only doing today. We are only doing today this much. So the ma'dud is always jama. Okay. Now if the ma'dud is muzakkar, then the number becomes opposite, muannas. If the ma'dud is muannas, then the number becomes muzakkar. See, no, akhawatin. Okay, here. Look at this. Look at this. Ukhtun. Ukhtun. What is ukhtun? Muannas. It is muannas. See? What is the jama of ukhtun? Akhawatun. Okay. What is this? Akhun.
Not that one. I'm talking about this one. Laila.
Okay, 1 second. Akhun. What is the jama? Ikhwatun. 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 But this is, even though it is ta marbuda, it is muzakkar. It is muzakkar. Okay, it is muzakkar. So Layla says, Li salasu akhawatin. Is it clear? Salasu akhawatin. Clear? Now then again, when Salma asks her, Wakam akhan laki, she says, Li khamsatu ikhwatin. So what is ikhwatin? Muzakkar. What is ikhwatin? Muzakkar. Okay. And then Salma repeats that sentence. Okay. Lucky means you have, according to what Layla answered. Salma says, Lucky salasu akhwatin wa khamsatu ikhwatin. Is it clear now? This statement is just a repetition. See, again, that is again the beauty of Dr. Abdul Rahim. Just trying to repeat it for us to get used to it. They came together.